Yes, so in this tutorial, we are going to continue from where we stopped. Yeah, to give you a preamble, last time we managed to create a script that runs one LED using Scratch and the Raspberry Pi. Now we are going to wire 3 of them. When you look at this script, so having the 3 LEDs will enable us to simulate how the traffic lights work. Yeah. So if you look at my script here, we have the red has been connected to pin 14. The yellow or orange has been connected to pin 15, and the green has been connected to pin 18. So initially when the green flag is clicked, I've added a reset timer here because I want to create a scenario whereby at some point when maybe it clocks to midnight, these traffic lights stop working, and instead it's only the orange that lights. Yeah, that's how most some cities are. When it gets to 11 or midnight, they stop working in their normal way, and instead it's only the orange that only blinks. Yeah, so that's why I have this timer here to kind of like start timing. So initially, when the green flag is clicked, I reset the timer or the clock, and then I turn off all the LEDs. So you're seeing here they're all on low. This is meant in case maybe you're running the script before, at least you're sure before the program starts, everything has to be off. Then of course I have the forever loop here. In this forever loop, I first check whether the value in the timer is less than 30. Yeah, this is just any figure, but in the real world scenario, maybe you can put in seconds that are equivalent to a whole day, or maybe that are equivalent to midnight. Yeah, but for now, we are only running it for 30 seconds. Yeah, so when it is when the timer is less than 30 seconds, it will act normally, with the red coming on, then the orange and the green, and when it is greater than this, the orange blinking will kick in. Yeah, so the first scenario here in the first if statement in the forever loop, when the timer is less than 30 seconds, the red light, which is on pin 14, is put to high, and it will be on for 5 seconds, and then afterwards, after the 5 seconds, it will be turned off, and the orange will be turned on. But also, as you know, the orange always comes on for a short while, and then it transitions to the next color, and it's the same scenario here. The orange will be on for 2 seconds, followed by the again, now it will be off, and then the green will be on for 5 seconds, and then it will be off, and so the loop continues. Yeah, then we have the else block here. Yeah, the else block only comes in when the timer is greater than 30 seconds, and again, all of them I first power them off, and then I've simulated this orange. When it clocks midnight, I've simulated it to only repeat for 10 watt, for 10 cycles before it goes ahead and checks whether the timer is running. Yeah, so basically in the repeat block, in the repeat loop, pin 15, the orange is set high, and then yeah, it it waits for 1 second and it is set low. Yeah, so that's how it works. Yeah, for now. Then I'm also building another feature that you see on the side here. Currently it works, but maybe it could be your homework for you guys to also try out. Yeah, but for now, when they have hooked a button on pin 21, and when it is pressed, this one is trying to simulate a pedestrian trying to cross the road, trying to cross the road while the normal traffic lights are working. This one, when they press the button, on the traffic lights, it has to first stop all the cars. That's why I'm putting a red button, whatever the case. Wait for 5 seconds for them to cross, and then put it on the low, and then it goes ahead to kickstart this. Yeah, so maybe after it has finished here, you could maybe add a broadcast to initiate the normal order of the traffic lights. Yeah, but this is just food for thought for you guys. Yeah, but this is the script that you'll need to plug the button into this project. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how the project actually works and how the circuit was made. Yes, so this is our circuit. Like you see, these are our three LEDs, and they are all being connected to ground through this. Yeah, the ground comes in. The ground comes in and it is connected here because there is a continuity here. So that's where the ground is, and then of course the positive one is connected to 14, 15, and 18. Then we have the button here. The button is connected to 21 on the Raspberry Pi. Yes, so, and actually the button, since it is not controlled by the green flag, even when it is clicked right now, the stop should work. Yeah, I've clicked again. That's why you see the script is lighting. Yes, for 5 seconds. So this is the one that will enable the pedestrians to cross. Yeah, then the main script, let me run it here. The main script. Yes, so the main script is running. Yeah, the red, then the orange, and then the green. Yes, yeah, the red and green light for 5 seconds, and the orange lights for 2 seconds, then the green. Yeah, then after the 30 seconds, that's when that's when the orange will simulate the scenario whereby it has clocked midnight, and now they no longer work in their normal order. It's only the orange that lights. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's how the project has been set up. Yeah.